Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr app. You will go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page of apps you will search about the application of Fiverr and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store and then you will update your app, so please don't forget to support us.